In this video, I'm going to show you how to get an email notification whenever you got a new response on your Google form. So this is sample Google form I have created for application of a new job. And if you look at the details, I'm capturing the name, experience details, and expected salary. Then finally, I'm getting the recipient's email. So I will share this with my social network and on my career website. And whoever submitted this form, I should immediately get an email notification so that I can do a follow up and close the openings or deals as soon as possible. So that's the main criteria, and let's see how to do that. So we can do that using a Lido app. I have given a link in the YouTube description. You can go ahead and use the sign up page and do a free sign up, and I'll show you a quick demo. So log into Lido app. I already logged in, so I'll just quickly go to sign in page, and for creating an email notification, we have to create a new file. So I'll go ahead with this new file option, and let's name this file as email notification for form, and click on connect data and select the Google Sheet and select the Gmail ID where you kept the Google Sheet for job response. Click on select, and it asks you to paste the Google Sheet URL. So go to this Google Sheet and click on next. And this is the Google Sheet I have integrated with this form. If you are already aware of form creation, then you know that every form should be associated with a Google Sheet. So this is the Google Sheet, and I am integrating this Google Sheet to Lido app. And as soon as I click on update, I'm seeing the data. There are a couple of people who already submitted the form, and click on add data. So now it asks me to create a table name. I will name this as form response, and all my data are imported. Sheet 1. So I will use the sheet 1 for creating a template, and this is the template we are going to use for sending an email. Let's name this as template, and I need a subject body. So let's name this as name the subject as new lead created, followed by the lead name. To specify the lead name, Lido has a special formula. So you have to use a square bracket followed by @ and you can see all the column name present on the form response. I put a name over here on the subject, so I'll go ahead with the name and body. So body should contain all the details of the forms so that owner will get a quick idea whether the lead is actually eligible or not. So let me show you how to create a body template. Hi, new lead request submitted. So I want to first specify the name. So again, you have to use @ followed by square bracket. So you have to use a square bracket and @ and specify the name over here. Next, we are capturing the experience details. So use the same formula and capture the experience details. Then we are capturing a salary. Expected salary, I will map this to an email. So now we are done with the subject and body template. Now we have to integrate this subject and body template to all the rows here. So let's see how to do that. I'll add a column name as subject, and this is actually a computed column, and we'll add one more column body. Again, this is a computed column, and one more column to trigger an email. I'll name this as email trigger, and I'll keep this as again a computed column, and status. So it's linked column, and I want to link this to email. So this is a linked column which is linked to email. And what is the use of linked column is whenever a row got shuffled, it won't happen in the form response usually, but just in case if the rows got shuffled on Google Sheet, it will automatically take care of shuffling the details uh, on the Lido app as well. And this computed column is to do some computation based on the string template and other stuff. So now we have to integrate or populate the subject from the template. Let's see how to do that. For that, we have a special formula called string template. So just type equal to followed by string template and go to template and use this subject, and it will show you whether you want to use b1 or $b$1, which is a reference value. So I will go ahead with a reference value and click on update formula. And as soon as I update, you can see that it automatically get populated for row 3 as well. And now let's do the same stuff for body. Let's populate the body from the body template, update the formula. So now all the body is populated. Now it's time to set up an email trigger, and that email trigger will run on Lido app every few minutes. So that I will show you how to set up, and you no need to keep this Lido app open. So whenever a form get submitted, it will automatically get pulled into Lido app, and automation run on the background on the Lido app will take care of sending an email notification to the recipient. So all this integration will work out of the box irrespective of whether you have this sheet open or shut down your laptop. That doesn't matter. So just to set up an email trigger, I will use the if condition, and I update the status. I will use the status for tracking an email has been sent or not. So I'll use I2 not equal to success. If I2 is not equal to success, then I will send an email. And to send an email, we have to use a formula called send Gmail. And I want to send an email from this particular email ID. And the second argument is a recipient email. If you have group email ID within your organization, you can use that. Or if you want to get a notification on any single email, you can specify that as well. So I'm going to specify one test email. Subject, we already have the subject. Just click on the subject cell, and body, we already created a body. Just map it to body, and where we want to update the status. So I want to update the status on I2, so I'll put I2 over here, and we are done with if, and we will go to else. So value if false, what if email is already sent, then just update email sent on this column H, and that's it. We are done with the formula. Click on this three dot, or alternately you can click on the automation. So I will go ahead with this option and click on run action. So you can see it's actually an email has been sent, and the status is updated as success. And if you look at here, new lead has been created. So this is, I have ran manually, but we want automation setup, an email trigger that should run whenever a new lead is created. So for that, click on this three dot on the column and run column on a schedule. So I want to schedule this every 5 minutes. Click on save. So what will happen is this column update will run every 5 minutes, and it will check whether the email has been sent or not. If the email not sent, it will send an email. If email is already sent as per our formula, it will just ignore this row and look into the next row. So like that, This trigger will happen every 5 minutes, and whenever a new lead submitted, this will get filled up. All these details will get filled up, and our template will take care of generating the subject and body, and this trigger condition will take care of sending an email to the recipient. So everything will work out of the box, and you'll be notified so whenever you got a new request from your Google form. So I have given a link in the YouTube description. So it's actually a direct sign up page. You can visit there and you can do a quick sign up and set up this email trigger. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.